class 12A is going to present a skit on importance of millets. Hope you all will get an idea that how much important it is to include millets in our daily diet.
Hi Ma, I'm back.
Hey Betty, you are back home?
Yes Ma, I'm really hungry. I want to eat something.
Oh, it is like that every day, right? I have made you something special.
Special? What?
Dal khichdi.
Dal khichdi? I don't like it. I want something like pizza or burger.
Oh Betty, it is not good for your health. You should eat something nutritious.
I don't want this. Who are all you guys? Why are you here?
We are millets.
Millets? What millets?
Yes, millets. You must have heard my name. My name is Bajra.
Yes, millets. Bajra ki sikka.
Hey, hi, my name is Bajra. I'm most widely grown type millet. Regularly including me in the diet will help in weight loss, improve diabetes management, and in higher intake of nutrients.
Hi, I'm Rajgira. I'm vastly used in gluten-free diets. I'm a high valuable source for protein, which is the growth nutrient, and I provide calcium for the strengthening of bones. I have high fiber content, which is valuable for regulation and to maintain cholesterol levels.
Hi, I'm Joel. You must be familiar with me. I have a long list of benefits that I provide to help improve digestion, boost immunity, improve heart health, control blood sugar level, etc.
Hi, I'm Raggy. Eating meat on a regular basis is well tolerated by most healthy people. I'm really good to certain lifestyle diseases like diabetes.
Hi, I am Kangani, also known as foxtail millet. I contain blood sugar balancing carbohydrate, help strengthen immunity.
Sorry guys, I don't like your taste.
You will start liking us when you will face diabetes.
Constipation,
Heart disease,
Cancer.
Weak immunity.
Oh no, sorry guys. I will try to eat you every day from today.
As you will be eating millets every day, you should also include millets in your daily life. Thank you.